everyone, it's Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today, I am just going to give a little bit of an update on how my craft room is coming along. And please do not mind the mess because, like I said, it's still coming along, and I'm working on getting things organized. So this is my backdrop here that goes behind my desk so that when I do a face-on video, which isn't very often, I have a nice pretty purple curtain that I installed on the wall myself. I have my beautiful neon diamond and some of my Bella Art de Nicole tower trays that have just been purchased since I moved in here. This is just, some of the just little things that are in the background. But the shelves have just some of my stuff somewhat organized. I have a couple of rolling carts here that are extremely messy. And let's see, there's my Hade right there. And there's another project, work in progress. I've got one. This is the one I'm going to want to kit up next. And I've got a couple of my completed projects up here on the wall. And then I have a little mini fridge for some cold beverages since I'm down in the basement. I don't want to have to go upstairs or call someone just to grab a drink. But I've got some of my desk stuff here, and here is my table that I do all my recordings. I've got my keyboard out right now because I was working on adding some things to the shop. But as you can see, there's my ring light, there's my computer, laptop, my microphone, there's my camera stand for when I do my overhead videos. And this is my new lighting here, these two big bright studio lights. So beyond there, that's our freezer. So as you can really see, this is a basement. So I've made this little corner my area. But here's some projects, videos that I need to get started. This is my light box that I'm, like I said, taking photos for the drill pin frenzy. And here's just some more things here. I've got a TV with Chromecast if I ever get my recliner down here. This is my drills for the Hade. I found those. This is another thing I need to do a video on here. See if I can get through here without breaking my neck. Let's see. We also have some other kits I've kitted up years ago. There's my tabletop easel. My diamond dot drills right there. And let's see. Here's some China packages that I received. I'm telling you, it's been a couple of years since I've ordered anything from China, so I've never opened them. Here's some of my diamond, most of this is mostly Diamond Art Club. There's some diamond dots down here. And then up here I've got some Dreamer Designs and Craftably. The ones on the very top, those are for giveaways. And then here's some of my overflow and other projects that I have going on, more China mail and other crafts. Then I've got my hog tumblers for my bling cups. And as you can see, it's just mostly diamond paintings. All those boxes, the square boxes in the white wrap that are rectangular down here at the bottom, those were my diamond painting of the month from Easy Whim that I never opened. And yeah, just basically lots of crafts and diamond paintings. Here is the stuff that I haven't opened yet. I had to take some out of the boxes because I needed the boxes, but I haven't even looked at these diamond paintings. Some of them have never been opened, and there is a lot. There's a big box over here on the side and another one underneath it, and even more. And now it's overflowing to here. I don't have any more shelf space, so I'm going to do a video where I'm going to try and just open them all at once. That's going to be fun. Another box that hasn't been unpacked, and here I'm trying to get everything organized into containers with labels. There's some more of my old style Bella Art Deco trays that I needed to pull out, and those are a bunch of the original ones. And the tray towers, more diamond paintings, other craft stuff. I got some of my cross stitch stuff over there. This is Teslin's box of crafts. There's some little diamond dots, just different little things there. Yeah, just there's some Goodwill stuff over here, stuff that needs to be taken upstairs. Our freezer. This is where it's going to get really messy. Alexa, turn on the garage. All right, so yeah, this is all stuff that needs to go upstairs, the kitchen stuff and whatnot. These are my craft drawers, that my little odds and ends and stuff. I brought a little vacuum down here so I could vacuum my rug. Here's my filing cabinet with my printer. And this is where, like I said, over here, I just had this put together. It's going to be my Cricut station, where everything for my Cricut is going to be set up. And there's a pegboard for it. And I'm going to slide through here. There's still lots of stuff here that needs to be organized. This over here is actually stuff that this cloth is stuff that I turn into stuff to either crochet with or to make rag rugs out of. This was here when we moved in, so I don't know what that is. There's an actual cool table here that flips down, and I think I'm gonna be putting the light box on that for taking photos if I can ever get this stuff organized. But there's pegboards all over this garage. We have some more furniture here that we've got to figure out what to do with. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I got this on sale at Michael's and just got it put together. And oh, that's where that is. I was looking for that. Okay, so yeah, here's some of my quilting stuff. I've got a lot of batting. I don't know what's in a lot of these boxes, but here are all my diamond paintings that I had hanging in my closet at the old place because I didn't have room for boxes. And there are a few hundred of them there. A lot of them are Diamond Art Club. I really wish I could rehang them in a way so that they're not, see how they're all curving down on the sides. Yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, there's a ton. There's on 6-tier hangers, and some of these hangers are holding 30 diamond paintings each. But here are all the drills for those, and they're in buckets. So the numbers are the books. I have books that I have written down each one of my diamond paintings, and so each time I have a new book, I number it, and the numbers pertain to which book they can be found on. And I have a labeling system, as you can see, that's like from book 5, page 60, and so on. And then we have a way that it's referenced to the hanger number. Yeah, my daughter helped me with that. But I have this hanging thing, and then I have another one. Actually, I have 2 more for some of my other diamond paintings to hang up. Yeah, we've got all our photos, wall photos. Here's my sewing machine, and this is my sewing machine table right here, and it has flaps that come out. So this is going to be set up right here, and then this will be on the other side of it, which is my table that it has a padded top for ironing and spreading out and stuff like that. All these buckets here have either yarn or quilting cloth in, and this here I am going to be stashing her. She's the last of the princesses I have, but I cannot find the drills, so I'm still looking for those. And once I do, I can get that taken care of. Um, those two portfolios are full of diamond paintings as well. And over here we've got a bunch of my yarn. This garage is just, yeah, there's more of my household pictures. Okay, but yeah, these have yarn in them. All these have yarn in them. And then here's all my crafting books, and I've got some of my stuff pulled out and shelved. But yeah, more cross stitch yarn. I have yarn everywhere. These have material in them. My plan was, that's all yarn here, to put my yarn in these, but they're not deep enough. So I don't know what I'm going to do to be able to put my yarn out. That's what I was going to do with it. I used to have them in the square cubbies, but those are now over there. And you can see my crafting area from a distance and how much there is. But yeah, I have a lot of yarn and quilt. But see, I have a place to put it all now, but it's just getting it organized. That's been, a long process. There's our, I think, heater. Yeah, that's the heater. And some of these boxes are only half full too. Another project I've started. So this is going to be the area where we're going to just store the household stuff. And so where these shelves are and over, that's going to be all my crafting area, because we do kind of need a place to keep stuff for the house that we don't want to have upstairs. But there's a lot. There is still a lot to unpack, and now I'm seeing something over there that could be something I could use. And yeah, there's another box of yarn over there. It's just a lot. And there's the garage door. But yeah, and this is all stuff that the last owners left at the house. And this is just like a lot of Teslin's toys that she needs to go through or get rid of, and more stuff that I have no idea what it is. And things from my mom's house that I kept, and just more stuff that they left a lot of stuff here, paints and whatnot, but they also left a nice amount of shelving too. Here's some of the baby stuff I'm getting rid of. We keep our suitcases stored down here. I'm going to pause for a minute because the dog won't stop barking. Okay, I'm back over in my area, so you can kind of see it from this perspective. It's just packed. And like I said, I still have not gotten to unpacking everything. Just a matter of where to put everything. I think once I get this video done where I unpack all this stuff, I'll be able to have some space, but I don't know. All the diamond paintings are going to end up going on those shelves. But let's move over here. Alexa, turn on craft room 1. All right, so this workbench was here when I moved in, and I know the lighting's not great. There is a light right here, but let's see if I can turn this on. There we go. So this is going to be my resin workstation. I have a lot of molds and different things that I can do with resin. I have lots of glitter and this nice workbench that I can use, and then there's this other seat looking thing. I don't know what that was built for, but there is a lot of storage spots and another pegboard, so I can do a lot with what they left. They even left that little black thing right there, so I'm excited to get this going too once I can. it's overwhelming. It still is overwhelming. And here's another angle of my daughter Teslin, all her toys and stuff that she's outgrown or just hasn't discovered yet, but she has to go through those things, and then I have to go over it with her to decide whether or not the things she wants to give away are things that we want her to give away. So yeah, and like that big thing right there, that's what my hate is going to go on to. Oh, I need that. All right. So yeah, this is the craft room, and here these are the really wonky stairs I have to go up. If you didn't watch my house tour, you have to go up and then they curve around, and there's no railing on this bottom half of the stairwell. So there you have it. This is the garage, and it looks like, you know, just a messy, unorganized garage. Next month we will have been here a whole year, and I'm just glad that I actually have some kind of progress done in my crafting space, and I'm actually able to make videos down here now. And if you've been watching, you'll see that I have been recording videos down here. But yeah, there's the topping that goes onto my quilting thing, but there's the view of the other section from here. It's a big garage, and it goes around in a circle, and it's just a matter of how to organize this space thoroughly, or whatever the word is, to make sure we can make use of everything. And yeah, so there you have it. Don't give me too much hate about how many Diamond Art Club diamond paintings I have, or diamond paintings period. I have been starting to destash some of them, mostly the ones that are over there. Some of the ones that I just started buying when I first started collecting, and now that it's been 4 years since I started, I'm starting to realize some of these I will never be able to get around to doing. But I will be doing Darth Daddy, which is that one. And I will probably start putting some up on the wall here. Down here, upstairs, I have plenty. There's another one I finished. Those rolled up ones right down here are all finished. There is way more finished. Those are just the ones I've unpacked so far. But I'm trying to get it organized. It's coming along, and it's just a matter of keeping myself coming down here every day to get to work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'm hoping to get more and more videos put out as the days go on. So have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.